Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Today I want to share a super easy lamb kebab recipe. It is simple, only 6 must-have essential ingredients. Super easy to make, just chop, marinate, bake or grill. It is also very delicious. My kids love them a lot. It can be a very quick summer dinner idea for your family and friend gatherings. Now let's get into it. I bought this a little bit less than 4 pounds of boneless leg lamb. The best cut of lamb for kebab is the boneless leg or shoulder. These cuts have the right amount of fat, which results in a juicier, tender, and flavorful kebab. Wash clean the meat, then cut into 1-inch cubes. To marinate the lamb, I use about 2/3 of the whole onion. Roughly slice it. Break apart the pieces. Then add into the chopped lamb a little bit salt, then give the mix a generous rub to help the flavor set in. Rest for about 30 minutes. While waiting, clean the skewers. I use the metal ones. You can also use the bamboo skewer, but keep in mind the bamboo skewer might be a little vulnerable for the grill. Now insert the meat on the skewers. This is the most time-consuming part. My suggestion, find some music, pour yourself your favorite drink, and enjoy the process. Also trying to mix the fatty meat with the lean cut. This way it will give you even more pleasing alternative textures. When it's ready, prepare the simple dressing. 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin, a little bit salt. Mix with the oil until the oil soaks the dry ingredients and the base becomes very consistent. For the cooking part, you have 2 options. One is the conventional oven. Preheat the oven to 450 Fahrenheit. Transfer the lamb kebab onto the oven-safe sheet covered with foil for easy cleaning. When the oven is ready, put in for 10 to 15 minutes. You want to watch the color change of the lamb. When the color turns into completely brown, no pink left, take them out. Brush on the dressing mix. Remember to brush both sides. Then return back to oven to finish up the cooking time. This will activate the unique and strong flavor of the cumins and the chili powder. When it's ready, take out. Give a bite to see if it reaches your preference of doneness. To be honest, the cumin, chili powder, and lamb is the perfect match. The second option is grill, which is better taste-wise in my opinion. Grill can bring the heat up faster than the oven, which helps to lock in the moisture and make the meat taste even juicier. I also like to grill a bunch of vegetables to go with the meat to balance out the nutrition. The key here is to grill on high heat, 425 or 450 Fahrenheit for about 3 to 5 minutes. Each side can be around 2 to 3 minutes. Brush the dressing on while it's on the grill. It's a little bit smoky and needs to be done fast, but the flavor and the texture are unbeatable. Now it's time to enjoy the lamb kabob. My kids are literally waiting on the grill side to have the first fresh bite. Pair with some ice-cold beer and leafy greens. Enjoy the summer night and the beautiful day. This is how I cook the lamb kabob at home. I hope you enjoy the video and give it a try. As a powerhouse of protein, moderate consumption of lamb will help us preserve lean body mass while trying to lose weight. I'm always prone to find the balance of nutrition and taste without restricting what I can eat. Lamb kebab is one of my favorite options. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy home cooking videos. Hope I will see you next time soon. Bye!